My name is Gauri and I'm back again for another reading session. Today I'll be talking about believing in yourself. So I'm going to read out something to you first. Here it goes. To believe in yourself is perhaps the most powerful hero ability you have available to you. Your belief will carry you through every difficult situation or any challenging circumstances and enable you to ultimately realize your dream. Ultimately, to achieve anything in life, you have to believe that you can. You need to believe that all things are possible, that you can do it. The only reason you don't believe in yourself is because you've inadvertently thought your way into not believing in yourself. Thinking a whole bunch of thoughts and accepting that they are true forms of belief. You were born with belief in yourself, and so if you don't believe in yourself today, it just means that in your life you have accepted thoughts about yourself that other people put upon you, and you believe them to be true. And the only way you have maintained that lack of belief has been through your own continuing thoughts about yourself, your self-talk. The way to change a lack of belief is very simple. Begin thinking the opposite thoughts to what you've been thinking about yourself. That you can do it, and that you can have everything within you to do it. Remind yourself that you have incredibly powerful abilities and that you will know exactly how to use them when the time comes. Remind yourself that all you need to do is take one step at a time. As you think thoughts that you can achieve your dreams, you will change the program in your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is like a computer, and it has many different programs that you have loaded into it, either with your thoughts or by listening and accepting other people's thoughts about you. And you've been doing this throughout your life. All the programs in your subconscious mind have been put there by thought. And it is thought and thought alone that will create a new program and override the old one. When you first start to think thoughts that you can do anything, you will feel the rejection from the firewall of your subconscious mind, which will tell you that those thoughts aren't true. But as you keep planning the thought that you can do it, eventually those thoughts will become a belief and you will have changed the program. It's surprising that after many years, even a lifetime of not believing in yourself, it only takes a short time of concerted effort to start believing in yourself. The most powerful time to reprogram the subconscious mind is when you're falling asleep at night. When you're not in that very sleepy state of being half asleep and half awake. Plant the thought that you can do anything and you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Your aim is to make that believing in yourself thought your last thoughts before you fall asleep. Because the very last thought you think as you're falling asleep goes straight past the firewall and into your subconscious mind. And when that thought goes past the firewall, the subconscious mind must accept it as true. Whatever you hold in your subconscious mind is what happens in your life. This is because any new program in your subconscious is immediately transmitted to the universal mind. And once the universe has the instructions, it will work with you to make sure you achieve what you believe. Perhaps now you will understand why it has been said that whatever the mind of man can conceive and believe, he can achieve. Believing in yourself doesn't mean that there won't be moments where you question your ability to achieve your dream. In those moments of doubt, just bring your mind back to the very next step you have to take. Because you will find it easier to believe you can take the next tiny step rather than have your head spinning with the whole journey ahead. And when you think about it, you can take one step at a time on the hero's journey, and one step at a time is all that every successful person took. When you're feeling happy, you believe you will be strong. If you're feeling tired, discouraged, under the weather, or lacking energy, that's when doubts come in. Everyone has those moments. So remind yourself that the way you're feeling is temporary and it will pass. That's why it is so important to follow your bliss every day, because in doing that you will be happy, and as a consequence your belief will be strong. Your belief will increase and strengthen with every step you take and every experience you have on the hero's journey, as you discover yourself what you are truly capable of. Believe in your dreams, believe in you, because you're a hero, and the hero within you doesn't just believe you can achieve your dream, it knows you will. So I hope you take away something really positive from this reading session of ours. I would really urge anyone who's going through a difficult time, anyone who has a problem in believing in themselves and being motivated every day, just because of some difficulty that they are having currently in their life, I would really urge you to try and motivate yourself and believe in yourself. Change your thought process from sad thoughts to happy thoughts, and I'm sure things are going to change for you. Because a lot of times, going through life, listening to people, their opinions about you, constantly due to certain situations in life, we feel we are put down, belittled, bullied, and we go through some kind of a pain that we cannot uplift ourselves, we cannot think positive, and we cannot get ourselves to get out of bed in the morning and be happy about life. But I think when we have a life, we should be thankful for it. We should get up in the morning and spend about a couple of minutes each day in front of the mirror uplifting ourselves, and that really works. You talk to yourself, say that I am awesome, I believe in myself, I'm going to have an awesome day, I will be productive, I will be happy. That is true. That really affects our life. That changes our energy in the morning if we spend a couple of minutes each day talking positive to ourselves about the day that is going to happen. At least I personally do that. And everyone should give a little love to themselves early in the morning when they get up, before beginning their day. Talk positive to yourself, and once we get into the habit of talking positive every day to ourselves just for a couple of minutes, and if it's a regular affair, I'm sure things are going to change. Things will look up for you. So I wish everybody who is going through tough times, I wish well to all of you, and have a positive and a great day. Good luck, and I'll see you next time.